What happens when you mix sugar with cement? Exploding head. It sounds crazy, right? But this unusual combo can create something surprisingly powerful and super useful in everyday life. In today's video, I'll show you a simple formula most people have never heard of. Stick around until the very end, because that's when I'll reveal how this strange mixture can be used for strong, durable fixes you can try yourself with items you already have at home. Let's start the process step by step. Choose a sturdy and clean container. For this example, we're using a jar, but you can also use a glass jar or any type of bucket. Add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, the kind you normally use for coffee or home recipes. No need for refined sugar, raw sugar, or any special types. Just place the sugar into the container. Add room temperature water to the container. Feel free to share your thoughts and leave a comment about where you're watching from, your city or country. It's amazing to see the reach of this content and to connect with people who are part of this community. And of course, your feedback helps me create content that resonates even more with you, wherever you are in the world. As you stir, notice the sugar gradually dissolving, forming a sweet liquid solution. This step is important to ensure the sugar is fully dissolved before moving on to the next stage. Now we reach the main part of the process, which is adding the cement. Once the sugar solution is ready, gradually add the cement while continuously stirring. There's no need for millimeter-precise measurements, but it's recommended to use an amount proportional to the water to ensure the mixture remains homogeneous and well combined. Add the cement spoon by spoon, stirring until the mixture starts to thicken and develops a denser texture. A good mixture should appear smooth, without lumps or excess liquid. For a more uniform result, make sure to stir consistently until maximum evenness is achieved. Next, stir the mixture until everything is fully combined. Make sure the batter is homogeneous and well integrated, with a uniform texture, free of bubbles or clumps. You can stir using a spoon, a wooden stick, or any simple stirring tool you have at home. There's no need for a mixer or expensive equipment, as this mixture blends easily even when stirred with basic tools. After mixing, cover the container and let it sit for approximately 15 to 20 hours at room temperature. Avoid direct sunlight or excessively cold temperatures, as these can affect the reaction and reduce the quality of the final result. While the material reacts and reaches its ideal consistency, another very useful idea using simple materials will be demonstrated. Prepare a container, then pour enough gasoline to cover the bottom. Next, add pieces of styrofoam to the solvent. The material will dissolve quickly, forming a sticky paste that resembles thick, solid glue. This process is almost instant, taking only a few seconds. The resulting texture has a useful consistency for application on various surfaces such as concrete, wood, or ceramic, serving as a versatile and long-lasting sealant. Caution is required. Use a mask and gloves, as the fumes are strong and direct contact can cause irritation. To strengthen the mixture, gradually add cement and stir thoroughly until fully combined with the dissolved styrofoam paste. The main goal is to create a paste that is dense, strong, and consistent, not too runny for easy handling, and not too stiff to make application difficult. The desired texture is similar to modeling clay, allowing easy handling with a spatula or even bare hands. This balanced consistency is crucial to ensure good adhesion to surfaces and a durable, long-lasting finish. Let's demonstrate the practical application. Observe this crack in the concrete floor. Initially small, it can widen over time. If left untreated, it may cause leaks and compromise the structure. After thoroughly cleaning the damaged area and removing dust and loose debris, begin applying the prepared compound made from dissolved styrofoam, cement, and solvent directly into the crack. You can use a metal spatula to carefully spread the compound. If one is not available, a plastic spoon can be used, as demonstrated here. Ensure the entire length of the crack is filled evenly to achieve perfect adhesion to the surface. The application must be done carefully to avoid air bubbles or sealant failure. If gasoline is not available, it can be substituted with acetone or another type of solvent, while following proper safety precautions. This substitution maintains the effectiveness of the compound, resulting in a mixture with high performance, strong adhesion, quick drying, and mechanical strength suitable for repairing floors, walls, or concrete structures. After filling the crack, allow it to dry for 1 to 2 hours, depending on the ventilation and temperature of the application area. The results are truly impressive. The compound hardens like stone, forming a strong, solid, and long-lasting seal capable of withstanding weather changes and minor structural expansion. Additionally, once fully dried, the compound can be easily sanded for smoothing and, if desired, painted with acrylic, enamel, or latex paint. Now, let's return to the sugar and cement mixture, which has been left to sit for approximately 15 to 20 hours at room temperature, protected from direct sunlight and excessive humidity. The result is a highly adhesive material with a thick, strong, and sticky texture, similar to technical glue. Its consistency allows for controlled application, filling small spaces precisely, such as molds, surface cracks, and holes in various materials. This homemade adhesive can be applied with a spatula, brush, or even hands, provided proper protection is used. It adheres easily to a variety of surfaces, including concrete, ceramic, fiber, cement, clay, and even metal tiles. It is ideal for emergency repairs, such as roof leaks, cracks, water tanks, or temporary sealing in areas that cannot wait for a professional. This solution is cost-effective, practical, and functional, making it particularly useful in household emergency situations. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and join our community. We have plenty of creative ideas that we will continue to share in upcoming videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to hit the like button to keep us motivated in bringing you more creative ideas. Thank you, and see you in the next creative video.